Hi, my name is George. I've been working for Chamberlain since 2020. I am currently working in the DIY department. The two most commonly asked questions, why is my pool green and how do I fix it? First of all, you've got to make sure that you have backwashed your pool and rinsed your pool and made sure that your weir basket is clean. You need to make sure that your pH levels are between 7.2 and 7.8 and that all debris has been removed from your pool. By doing that, then we can go to the next step where we add super shocker to your pool. On a 50,000 litre pool, you add 500 grams of super shocker, pouring it all along the side of your pool. But beware, if you have a Marblite pool, you have to pour it into the weir. If you do not do that, you will cause brown marks on the sides of your pool. Check your chlorine levels constantly by using a test kit, which you can purchase from any one of our branches, or you could bring a sample of your pool water to any of our mega stores to have it tested for free. If you do not have Mega Shock at home, you could use normal HTH granules, taking 6 cups of chlorine, mixing it with your water and pouring it all along the edges of your pool. Running your pool pump for 24 hours if possible. While the pump is running in filter mode, use a brush to brush the sides of your pool and the bottom of your pool, loosening up all the little pieces of algae that can be vacuumed up. For more expert advice, visit any of our 9 Chamberlain stores. Chamberlain's famous for hardware since 1903.